Every year, the vine goes through a growth cycle to produce a crop. The cycle starts in the spring when the vine awakens, it grows and ripens through the summer, and finally the grapes are ready to be harvested in the fall. Just like you need a rest after working hard, the vines lay dormant in the winter until the cycle begins again in the spring. In the spring, the vine produces little flowers, and each of the flowers will eventually become a grape after it's pollinated. Vines don't need busy bees or insects for pollination. They rely on the wind to pollinate themselves. Once the flowers are pollinated, they turn into a grape. This stage of the cycle is called fruit set. All of the grapes start off small, hard, and dark green. If you were to taste the grape at this stage, it's probably going to be really tart and not that pleasant. The grapes continue to grow, and by the middle of the summer, they're ready to start ripening. You can tell when a grape is ready to start ripening by what is called veraison. This is a beautiful time in the vineyards because the white grapes turn golden in color and the black grapes become red and then finally turn purple. During the ripening stage, the grape sugar increases while the acid decreases. Understanding that the sugar and acid are inversely related will come in handy when we start to discuss climate and its influence on a wine structure. Let's keep that in our back pocket for now. Ripening is also when the grapes develop their signature flavors. Sauvignon Blanc develops flavors of citrus and tropical fruit, and Pinot Noir develops flavors of red fruit like cherry and strawberry. Finally, ripening is also the time when tannin in the grape skin develop. Ripeness of tannin is important because underripe tannins can make the wine taste overly bitter. At the appropriate stage of ripeness, tannin provides the backbone for red wines and gives the wine structure and mouthfeel. The grape grower and the winemaker will test the grape sugars, the acid levels, flavor development, as well as tannin ripeness in order to select the perfect time for harvest. When all the stars are aligned, the winemaker and wine grower can decide it's time to kick off harvest.